Today we are hiking up the North Menan Butte, which is a inactive volcano outside of Rexburg, Idaho, about 20 minutes away. So it was very rainy when I approached, but I just kept going. And this trail is pretty well maintained so far. You can see the storm clouds rolling in. It's kind of drizzling right now. There's an interesting looking rock. And then here are some guides going up. Now it's getting pretty rainy, really foggy. Looking around, I can't really see anything. Visibility is very slim, but the hike up to this part was pretty steep, but not terrible. And there is the little caldera inside of this inactive volcano that is about to go down. There's a lot of these interpretive signs everywhere. Faulty mountains. Now we're inside the caldera here, and my feet are absolutely soaked and covered in crap. I have to go up this hill. And then we're continuing up this hill of doom. And now the rain has finally stopped, and I'm on the rim of this volcano, and there's very slick rock up here. Had to be careful. You can see some farm over there, and we're going down this kind of edge here. And we have to go down to this because I'm looking for a geocache, and you can see very rocky, very wet right now, very slippery. And we are on top again after coming out of that. Now going back down, and the rain is finally gone, but I am still soaked. There's some ravens flying around. And some more interpretive stuff. There's a lot of this, and this one just had a bunch of species and some info on these little cards, which is pretty cool. Alright, so I used 3 criteria for these. Solitude, scenery, and difficulty. Solitude is how many people are hiking. Scenery is good views, and difficulty is how hard the hike actually is. So for solitude, I'd have to give this a 6 because there are a lot of people coming in from Rexburg, mostly from the college. But at the actual top and around the edges, there weren't too many people, and I assume the rain scared off a lot of people. Probably 6. And then for scenery, I'd probably have to give it a 7 because of the cool volcano views, and you can see the other butte, and also a good view of all the farmland below for 7. Then difficulty is a 4. There are some steep sections, but the trail is really well maintained and not very dangerous at all. So probably overall 4. So thanks for watching. If you want to go hike on a volcano, an active volcano, here you go. Bye bye.